Welcome to Delft Stack. It can be incredibly frustrating when your computer goes to sleep but refuses to wake up and forces you to perform a hard restart. This issue is usually caused by outdated drivers or power management settings in Windows 11. In this tutorial, we will go through the steps to ensure your PC wakes up instantly every time. We will start by checking your keyboard and mouse settings to ensure they have permission to wake the computer. Right-click the Start button and select Device Manager. Find Mice and Other Pointing Devices. Right-click your mouse and select Properties. Under the Power Management tab, make sure Allow this device to wake the computer is checked. Repeat this same process for your keyboard. Next, let's adjust your power plan. Press the Windows key, type Control Panel, and hit Enter. Go to Hardware and Sound, then Power Options. Click Change Plan Settings next to your active plan, and then select Change Advanced Power Settings. In the pop-up window, locate Sleep, then allow Wake Timers. Ensure this is set to Enable for both battery and plug-in modes. While you are here, look for USB settings and ensure the USB selective suspend setting is disabled, as this can sometimes prevent peripherals from waking the system. If the problem persists, it's often due to an outdated graphics driver. Right-click the Start button, go back to Device Manager, and expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Then choose Search Automatically for drivers. Keeping this updated ensures the system can correctly signal the monitor to turn back on. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.